back to our A to Z vegetable series. Today we're going to be on the H vegetable, and it is going to be horseradish root. So this is the horseradish root. This is what it looks like. Sometimes it's a little bit longer when you get it in the store. And you know, it's similar to ginger. If you're used to cooking with ginger root, it kind of looks the same, just a little bit whiter. So we're going to talk about the benefits of adding and incorporating horseradish root into your diet. It has a compound in it called glucosinolates, and that is an important compound to help to increase our resistance to certain types of cancers, which of course we want to do that as much as we can. It also, those glucosinolates are also important for helping the liver to detoxify and eliminate those carcinogens that can lead to malignant tumors. So it's really kind of an important vegetable that we should all try to incorporate as much as we can.
All right. It also has been shown to have properties that are similar to antibiotics. So for UTI infections and bacteria that's growing in your throat, it's been shown to fight that off. It's also been shown to help with kidney stones. So there's properties beyond just the vitamins and minerals that are in it that for medicinal reasons, people have used it for natural medicine. So it has that really hot kind of kick to it, and it's been shown to help with bacteria in your body. So what do you do with it once you buy it like that?
Okay, so what you do is very easily, you just take chunks, and I would say like a 1-inch chunk. You'd want to just cut it up into chunks, and then just use your vegetable peeler to peel off the outer coating. Just peel it right off, and what you're going to do is you're going to end up with a little white chunk of horseradish just like this. And it's super easy then to take your microplaner, or if you have a small hole grater, and just grate it right into your dishes. You know, it's gonna add a lot of kick to things like salad dressings or possibly your roasted vegetables.
That's a good idea.
Stick them in the oven, add your horseradish. You can make a very easy sauce to put over fish with some light butter or olive oil and a little bit of garlic and your horseradish, and that would make a great, just like a sauce for fish. So a lot of different things you can do. You could also make your own prepared horseradish, just like is sold in the stores, which would be much healthier, and you know, you can control the ingredients that way.
If you have, so if you buy a lot of it, because you usually just use a little bit, what do you do? Can you save it? Is there a way to
Yes, so
preserve it?
What is great about this root is that you can cut it into your 1-inch chunks, peel it, and then you can take a Ziploc bag and stick all these chunks right in your freezer. And then all you have to do when you need it, take one chunk out, you can grate it frozen. You don't even have to thaw it. So it can stay, it will last in there for 6 months, sometimes even longer. So it's really awesome if you put it in the freezer and then you don't even have to do anything. It's ready to go.
Okay, so I can grate a little bit, put the rest back.
Put the rest back.
Awesome.
You got it.
Very cool.
You got
All right, what recipe did we make today?
Okay, so today we made a horseradish hummus. It is got a little bit of a kick at the end. And what's great about horseradish is, I would say, start with a little.
Okay.
You know, start with a teaspoon in your dishes and kind of go from there. You can adjust depending on how much of a kick you want, because it will definitely give you a kick, especially at the end of when you're eating it. So the horseradish hummus just has a teaspoon, excuse me, of horseradish in it, but you could definitely adjust it to your taste. And it's great for dipping, great with pita chips, great with veggies, of course. We love our plants, so yeah, sure.
All right, I'm gonna try it out. It's so good. Run out, get yourself some horseradish root, and give it a try. Make today a great day to make a victory. Bye.
Bye.